Why does one nation become the most competitive for a certain industry? And how are companies from one country or region able to sustain competitive advantage in a particular industry? In this lesson, we'll use the Porter-Diamond model to explain why some countries have competitive dominance in the global market. Now, you may be wondering, why is this model called the Porter-Diamond model? Well, the model contains 4 different points, called the determinants, that are arranged in such a way that they resemble a diamond. So, let's dive into it. What are these determinants? The 4 determinants of the Porter-Diamond model are as follows: factor conditions, demand conditions, related and supporting industries, firm strategy, structure, and rivalry. Let's discuss each determinant one by one, starting with factor conditions. This determinant refers to the resources that may or may not be present within a nation. These resources can be classified into 2 subcategories: basic and advanced. Basic resources include a country's natural resources, climate, etc., whereas advanced resources can include factors like infrastructure, skilled experts, and capital, for instance. According to Porter, basic resources are of lesser importance as compared to advanced resources, and real competitive advantage is created when a nation has advanced resources. Next, let's discuss the second determinant: demand conditions. In this case, the term demand refers to the local demand for products or services of a particular industry in a country. If the home demand is high, an industry has the opportunity to sell more, understand their value proposition better, and create a large market nationally. Thus, with strong local demand, an industry has the opportunity to excel and grow, and this may naturally increase its chances of succeeding in a foreign market. Demand conditions include things like market size, market growth rate, and also the market sophistication. Now it's time to discuss the third determinant: related and supporting industries.